Hello and welcome to day 8 of this, the Taskmaster Advent Calendar for 2025.
Hooray!
And yesterday we discovered, that's a very zoomed in shot, isn't it?
It is.
Yesterday we discovered that our door for today was...
Under the toast.
Under the toast!
Not a stoat.
Yeah, not a stoat. That makes sense if you watch yesterday's video.
Yeah, you should.
So we are trying to identify each day where the next day is. So, series 10, 11, 15 and 17 included 8 team tasks each.
And the 8 is underlined.
And inside the room
Extremely
we have
fun.
something plus a task for today.
Ooh.
It's a very nicely made calendar, isn't it?
It's so good.
Line up the X-rays.
Okay.
You have until tomorrow. Your time starts now.
Got it.
Well, there we go. So, what have we got? A bit of Greg and a bit of Ubbled. Is his loyal? Okay. And, X-rays. They are X-rays. So, are we supposed to be identifying what might be inside? For example, if there was a coffin on the picture, we could overlay this.
Maybe. Should we have a look inside the room? What's on the other side of the arrow?
Oh, and there's a chair there, and obviously some
with
text.
A skeleton
there is
on it.
text on the outside of the calendar, the box, the sleeve, back of the box and the sleeve. So perhaps that's relevant.
And there are chairs on the back as well, I think.
Right, let's have a look in the room. Ooh.
Seems to just be a kitchen.
It's a kitchen,
With a mug
yeah.
that says,
And it says,
I love Taskmaster. And there's a cake in the washing machine.
What? There really is a cake in the washing
I
machine.
didn't just make it up. I'm guessing when we line up this arrow X-ray with something, it will point us
And let's have a look on the back of the calendar.
in the direction of something. So this is our X-ray.
And where's the chairs down here? And Greg.
But that's not the right chair.
Maybe they have just a fancy cover on them. Okay, well, there's chairs on the other side. Oh, no, they're not. What about on the sleeve? Well, there are chairs, but they're not very helpful. I don't think there's one on the outside. I mean, yeah. And the inside of the sleeve is, in fact, blank. So where are the chairs? Well, should we look for the coffin? I don't think there was a coffin on the other side.
No, I don't think it's a coffin. I think it's a chair. But these things are also, they must be somewhere.
The filing cabinet and a door. And then it points. So we line it up and it points to the next door to open. So are we looking at, imagining these are inside somewhere?
Or it points at an object.
Is that this chair, do you think? No, clearly not. It doesn't match, does it?
No.
I'm confused.
Do these match anything inside that room?
Which room?
The room that we've just opened. Door 8.
Well, there is a door there. But I think we need to put it on top of the calendar so that it matches up.
I agree with you. This bit of text must be a clue. Let's have a look at the back of this box again. Because I think it must be this. Greg, troubled. See, look, it lines up here with these. Greg and troubled. It is just those. And it just says blue.
Where'd you get blue from?
It's pointing at the word blue.
Oh.
But blue what?
Yeah, well, maybe what's on the back is relevant. Or perhaps that's just to scare you. There's an X on the door. Is that relevant? But you're right, blue. Maybe there's only one. There's a blue present.
There is a blue present.
Shouldn't we open a blue present?
I don't know.
Yeah. I think so.
Okay, on your
mind you, I don't know how to actually open that. It's very small. They look like they're going to open though, right? Oh, I've torn it.
Oh dear, and it's got words on it. To Liz from Tim.
I don't see that's relevant to today, do you?
No, it must be blue something.
Maybe there's two things it points at. Oh, maybe we line at this side.
Yeah, and then we line at the other side with something.
And we line the other side up and get another word.
Yeah. Let's have a look for another person in a chair.
And then what it points at.
And then what it points at there.
What about this thing here? To line it with that?
I think that I think these kinds of markings have been inside the walls of some stuff. I think that's why it's...
Oh, you think it goes inside a room?
We've seen a person in one of the rooms somewhere. Let's open up the rooms.
Not in that room.
Not there.
Not in there.
Not there. We have seen someone in a room.
There's a chair in here, but there's no one in there.
Yeah.
Not in there.
Top right. Not there.
in there.
How many have we done? I don't think we've been in there yet.
Oh, that's the one we weren't sure we were meant to have opened.
That's true.
Not there. Not here. It's not. Well, it's not. No one in the room.
Maybe we haven't seen someone in a room.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Should we have a look on the sleeve of the...
Oh, wait. What about on the sides here?
It's got to be a blue something.
No, it's nothing there.
Let's have a look on the sleeve.
This is the overall sleeve, and it's blank on the inside, as I say. I don't think it's on the outer sleeve.
That looks like the inside
I mean, I agree with you.
of something, but the inside of what and where?
Can you put it on him again and point at something else?
It's not big enough.
I have to agree it's not big enough.
There's no other, like, humanoid figures, are there?
No, only over here, in terms of sitting down. What's on the arms?
I think that's just the arms of the chair.
So we've got blue. But, I mean, there are multiple blue objects.
There's multiple blue things.
This is blue.
By design.
And then, well, that's the only really big blue thing. Obviously, there's blue writing, a blue bit of a plane.
Blue plane.
I mean, we can probably just open this because it says blue.
No, we are going to find out the answer properly.
Well, let's take
Should we take a hint?
Yeah, so Over here, we've got... What day are we on? 8.
Day 8. They're all blurring into one.
Line up the X-rays. You have until tomorrow. The room should contain, yes, double-sided... It is quite clear, double-sided X-ray arrow.
Yeah.
The arrow is quite revealing. I didn't know robots had a skeleton.
Oh.
All right, well, there we go. Where's the robot?
He's here. Blue duck, I think.
You're
but
right.
How's that supposed to line up?
Well, I guess you're seeing what's inside there. It doesn't really actually line up.
That's really confusing.
No, wait, maybe it does line up. Look, it lines up with the outside. It lines up. Let's zoom in a bit here. I think actually this is fair because look, it does like fit up with the outline of here. I did say it was this, but then I didn't persist with actually trying it. And look, I also talked about the fuzzy things, and it's to match with the fuzzy things here.
Yeah, but the bus confused me because I was looking for something that was like a human figure next to some drawers.
But anyway, it's this duck, as you say. So we're looking for a
blue duck.
A blue duck.
Okay.
Right.
Great. Well, at least the hints work.
Where's the blue duck?
He's right there.
Oh, there we go. Light blue duck.
Yay!
Should we open that door?
Let's open him. So it should say day 9.
I should do. Use that screwdriver.
Let's see.
It's well, it's upside down, but it is day 9.
Yay!
There we go. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, do please join us when we have a look in day 9 tomorrow.
See you there.
Bye.
Bye.